Smile.
You're on candid camera. It's not. There's one at Park Victoria, and that's okay. Oh, yeah. Yes. Not intentional. I didn't last year either. Dewey went last year. He went last year.
Muddy. Video.
Huh? Yeah, just like the trophy, eh?
Get your dick out. Oh, I'll have to zoom.
No hands?
Oh, well. At least you did it, I guess. I'm looking at all another touch.
Man, you're going fast.
I gotta keep it under 10 minutes.
You're used to the speed moment.
What's going on, bud?
What's going on?
He rolled it too good.
Speed mower or something?
That's what I need to get because I bought
Oh.
a bunch of guys. Paid $30.
Question, you probably know who it is. Who's Justin Hurley? I added him because he's friends with Richard. He's friends with Terry too.
Bear 19, I think.
Oh yeah, okay, maybe.
Smile, goddamn you!
You wasted time. You wasted time.
It's all good. I should be able to squeeze more in it.
You're just walking beside Rich so he doesn't have to be in the video.
I don't want to. I'm in it too much now.
Hi.
Hey, JC.
That's a beautiful car. Oh, look at it.
That car is awesome. I love that car. It's one of my favorites around.
That's beautiful as well. Okay, who brought the Windstar?
It's not part of the show, it's just there. Showing us car.
You wait till I see you on the street.
What?
Impreza, I see you on the street and I'm going to rape you. I rape you over and over with your little pink badge. Your little pink badge and your stars.
The garden's around.
It's not an STI. I wouldn't mind an RX-7, it's just the problem is it's a two-seater. And I need
Come to Nova Scotia where we have more Honda Civics than Japan.
Whatever. I do agree. There are quite a few of them.
Oh, mom. The mom.
I put the full one on mine.
Same wheels as Bruce.
Bruce and Boost.
Bone stock. Never touched. Original.
That looks so like an Escort for some reason. This looks like an Escort.
A little bit.
That's the UK Escort.
Yeah, not one here. Sounds like you got squirrels underneath the hood of that thing.
And down here in the corner we got the DB.
didn't get that rope.
And we'll get it now.
Ran out of paper, but I got the import card.
It's still your ideas. Again, bud. It's carbon fiberness. Again, guys. Hey.
How's she going?
She's good.
Seen one of those Euro plates there today. It said it was FUKN CRUZN or something. It was something along those lines. You're almost done. You missed
Almost.
the Cavalier, or the sunflower.
Me.
Me.
I'm gonna be last out tonight recording shit like that, I can tell.
We'll eat dream to give a real musical. Race is only one lap. Don't need any help.
That super is hot.
So you can sell this. Money. What are you gonna buy one? This somebody gonna waste your money. We start by taking off about 150 back.
Look at the numbers and see what they actually